Where I personally tend to run into issues is when time is a factor, and that comes into play when we're dealing with new construction projects being built or properties that are being flipped. It tends to kind of show up around exterior pressures to get things done. The term rush to failure comes to mind, and that is when it becomes really important as a small business to stand my ground and, if need be, walk away despite the financial implications. By the time we get to that conversation, most people are understanding. They tend to realize that we're trying to do the best we can for the end user and everybody involved. Our biggest thing is just we have to respect the guidelines. We have to follow them, and we have to plan for these things well in advance. That is why it's important for me to be in contact with the project managers well before we are scheduled to do the installation, so we can get in front of these issues before they become problems.